Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Ogbuefi Ezeana ugochitubelu na Oraifite ma ọ bụ Akajigo. I'm an ancient high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi lụkwazị ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. No, but you no go one case you. It's so why you be able living in the present. I've only watched Bronchi yesterday, living in the past. Today we are talking about living in the present, and I'm here to tell you, as someone that understands how things work, if you want to turn around what is happening in your life, and you want to determine how your future will be, the time is now. Avoid procrastination. There are some people that are living in the future. They keep procrastinating. No. Whatever that is imaginable is achievable. And we, human beings, we were given mandate by Chukwu Okike to recreate. So whatever you don't like that is happening in your life right now, believe in me, Wachuku, child of God, you have the opportunity and the strength and the powers to recreate it. Man is the architect of his own problem. What is hindering you is you. Stop pointing and accusing finger on others. Whatever you create within your mind, within the spiritual strength of yours, is what you're gonna play. Yes, our mind is the photocopier machine. Note that everything lies in your hands. Yes, we human beings have the powers to recreate and create whatever we want in our lives. So stop pointing and accusing finger on others. Nobody do you. Now you do yourself. Because you don't understand how things work. You don't even understand the powers that you possess as a human spirit. So keep tagging your friends and well-wishers from the horse's mouth. In fact, keep tagging those people that keep on blaming others for their predicaments. Now, before we dive into today's lecture, important announcement. Don't forget that we are still in the month of November. Our monthly rituals for the month is still ongoing. We started this group rituals over 3 years now. We have massive testimonies. But as you all know, we don't share testimonies on social media. Before we dive into today's lecture, the friends of the temple, the children of the temple, the members of Ordinary Restoration Evangelical Mission and consecrated group. The last day of the month, I get a military honor in the Biana temple, Chuaja to entities of powers in the Nagari Memana temple. Jane Ben Chuaja Bue Mesaraka. Etuaka is a mere. So I wanted to issue a lie. He gave me a chat him na WhatsApp. Before do your token donation to the account number. Chat them na WhatsApp and when God details we need from you in order to book you. One day to work with Makanaja Kadirogu. WhatsApp number gauge with a mina screen gigafia. More Omuna directly 0805 78 37 672 or send the WhatsApp message to it. Yes. I repeat 0805 78 37 672. Now let's dive into today's lecture proper. I'm telling you about living in the present. I'm here to tell you without missing words that man is the architect of his own problems. Why you are not succeeding is you. Why you are not succeeding is because you don't understand how things work. Nobody will stop you unless you stop yourself. From creation, Chukwu Okike gave man the mandate to rule, to dominate and to overcome. Genesis chapter 1. You have ever to go again your mother mandate. From Genesis chapter 1, you go see 1, you go chapter 2. If we ever call the entire creation, we will come here to seek a mother. Precisely, I start from chapter 2. When your mother mandate after creating the entire universe. Command will overrule this gross material world known as earth. Ability to change what is happening in your life, immediate life, what is happening in your family, what is happening around you is in your hands. But the problem is that you don't understand you. You have not even awakened yourself. You don't understand the power you possess as human spirit. Because maybe you are not properly mentored for you to understand the power you possess. You possess power to make this world, to make your life the way you want it to be. Yes. I can tell you, everything is starting in you and ending you. So stop blaming others. Even the reason why you were born in the family you are born today is all your own making. Maybe unconsciously you don't even know. But your decision, even when you are saying one more in the ethereal world, determine why you were born in the family. Whatever you are passing through and your out of life is as a result of what you determine for yourself. But most of you took that opportunity, that out of life and determination unconsciously. So you don't know that those things is what is playing in your life. And I can tell you here, as an ancient high priest, that you still have the authority and powers to rewrite them if they're no longer palatable to you. But I can tell you without missing words that whatever you are passing through now is as a result of many factors played by your determination, by your karma, and purposely you are here on earth to fulfill that mission so that you will be able to pass the challenge and become a champion. Let me tell you, if there is no testing, there won't be any testimony. But man was given the freedom to decide how he wants his life to be. So if your future, you want your future to be palatable, start now and build how you want your future to be. One adage says, and I quote, "He who does not plan is planning to fail." You can't build something on nothing. You must lay foundation. Jesus once said in the book of Matthew that now any house you are building, you do not lay the foundation properly. When tribulation comes, when challenges comes, when strong wind comes, the house you build on a shallow foundation will not be able to stand the catastrophe. You will not be able to withstand the challenges. And what will happen? The house will collapse. That is exactly what is happening in your life now. I can tell you, child of God, that you have the authority and powers within you to rewrite the negativity written all over you and their life. And you were sent to this gross material to overcome them and reshape how you want your tomorrow to be. Your tomorrow, you are the one that will facilitate your tomorrow to be blissful. If you refuse to work out for your tomorrow, for betterment of your tomorrow, believe in me, you will still meet your tomorrow the way you left it. All the successful people here on earth you are looking at, they worked their ass out to achieve whatever they achieved today. To be great in life is not an easy thing. It's not a joke. So if you don't like, maybe your foundational problem has issues, maybe those good things of life was not given to you at birth. You are not born with a silver spoon. I can tell you that is not even a excuse for you not to succeed massively. To succeed massively is all about your choice. You know why? I can tell you without missing words, no one, some people that are born in the same hopeless families, people that was born in these low life families, but today they succeed massively. Child of God, you are the only one that will stop yourself. Everything starts from the will, determination to succeed. You must be angry with your condition. If your condition is not palatable, you are not where you're supposed to be yet, don't give up. I keep saying it and I keep saying it again. Giving up is a coward act. Everything you will become tomorrow, become on your mindset and what you weaved, your faith in creation. That is what will be playing out in your future. Those rich people you are seeing today, the foundation of what they are reaping today was laid either by themselves or by their fathers. I can even tell you that some of the rich people you are saying money misroad, they are there to benefit the labors of their ancestors. Because some of them came in a family where their grandfather, great-grandfather labored tirelessly for the benefit of his future generation. He paid all the dues, established all the contacts, maintained all the agreement with the gods of wealth and with the gods of wealth. That's why some people will tell you that to be successful, the do's and don'ts. You can't continually doing one thing over and over times and expect different results. One thing about the successful people and rich people is that they know how to manage wealth. They make sure that they are not spending more they earn. That is the difference between the poor and the rich. A poor man make, let's say, any amount of money, because the amount that is due to you might not be enough for another person. I can tell you that there are some people that makes 500,000 every month and they squander all because of the type of life they live, the environmental factor, and so many lifestyle. But I can tell you, no somebody that is making 200,000 naira monthly, but is saving up to 30% of his earning monthly. So what am I saying? If you don't like what is happening in your life right now, you don't like what is happening in your family right now, be angry about it. And how you will be angry about it is not for you to go and steal or do the wrong thing, because going to tackle it the wrong way will lead you into sinful act. You are entangling yourself more. It's not all about doing evil to succeed. No. Most people that think that they can change their scenario, they can change their life by indulging in negative lifestyle, often pay and they regret their actions and the inactions. Following the wrong path, we call it joining the fast lane, is not the solution to escape from poverty or whatever you want to achieve in life. You start from you reawaken their inner self, changing your mindset. Do you know that there are some people that have made up their mind that it's not possible for somebody to succeed here on earth on their own? So if you keep on having this mindset, you already push yourself down and refuse to get up. I can tell you, some families that people you are hearing their names today, but believe in me, they came from humble background. But they did not allow their predicament and their humble background to limit them. You are the one that is limiting yourself. You know why? If I ask you which kind of people do you follow, who do you listen to? Do you make friends with lazy people that think that keep blaming their uncle for not sponsoring them or training them to become graduate, as if being a graduate will escape you from poverty? No. It's not acquiring knowledge is the important thing. What is important? Application of knowledge. What academics do for you, what education does for you is to give you knowledge. But I can tell you that some people that came out in the university with 2-1, yes, when some people came with lower 2-2, but they are still there roaming the street. They are waiting for white collar job. They did not even know that they can come to internet, organizing seminars, teaching people based on what they study in school. And there are some people that are looking for that knowledge they acquire in school, and they are willing to pay. If you will be able to let people know about what you are made of and services you can render, some people can pay you for that services. If you're a writer, what you study in school is that you can write books. Yes, I can tell you that missing words. Some people may look for somebody that can be writing their books, and you get paid. I know young people that I have given some opportunity. Now I'm working on some books now, and I have some people that have passion for writing. I do give them opportunity. Maybe you are following me. Have you made an attempt to let all people that are following to know what you have passion for? Or you are waiting for white collar job? I'm just giving you a tip how you can escape from poverty. You are good in writing. How many of your followers that knows that you can do it? You are following, maybe you're a writer. You didn't let me know that you're a writer. You didn't. You are following me, you're a programmer. Did you let me know that you're a programmer? Do your friends know what you are good at? The stuff you made of? You are there on social media gossiping. Regina Daniel say, Ned Woko say, this one, does it count anything? You are there fighting. Even your followers does not even know what you are capable of doing. You are there celebrating another person. Now we paracetamol this in our own also. Leave people in their fucked up. For most people, fucked up. Big time. So what I'm saying is that let others, your followers on social media, know your strength, what you can bring to the table. Believe in me, some of your followers, people that are following you, might engage you, give you opportunity. Some of you are following me. Do I know what you are doing? Have you chatted me and tell me, Eze-Ana, you are good at this, you are good at that? If it's services I did, I can say, okay, can you do this to earn a living? Maybe you are looking for free money. Nobody is willing to give you free money. Anybody that is giving you money will make sure that you add value to that money being given to you. So what am I saying? If you want to change your future, you want to turn certain things around. Maybe you're a driver. You know how to drive very well. You have business idea. How many people have you write proposals? Tell people how you can take their ideas from point A to point B, and nobody is giving you opportunity. You are there on social media ranting, cursing people. Any slighted thing, say, on them, Kenya. Body and does. Yes. So what am I saying? If you don't like what is happening to you, be on the right path. Discover that thing that is your dream, what you are good at. Showcase it. Let the people know. Okay, let me give an example. You are called one. You are naturally gifted. You have gift of prophecy. You have gift of this or that. Anything you are gifted on. Have you make it open for your followers to know what you are good at? Have you chatted men of timber and caliber to tell them, look at what I'm good at? Let it be that the person did not help you. For me personally, I like to support people that are mindset oriented. I'm willing to help you, yes, that are listening to me, to develop your talent. Good talent, what will help you. If you only see it that you are interested. One thing about me, I cannot come and wake you up and say, grab it. No. It's only when you show that you are interested in being helped that help will come. So, how many times have you made people to understand what you are good at? The right proposal. How do you want this help to come? Yes, don't be greedy in your listening. Maybe you are talented in something. Have you made an attempt? You are called one. You have gift. Have you approached people that will help you to develop that your calling? It's not a more that you will start looking for money. What you are looking at is not money immediately. What you need to know is that, what will I do to develop this my calling from point A to point B? Forget about money. Once you front money, anybody that want to help you will see you as a greedy person. Forget about money. Look at person to give you the opportunity. By the time you develop your opportunity to some certain height, when I started developing my spiritual strength, I began by serving others, helping people. Na fast, na necessary things, create time for counseling. I wasn't looking for money, but at the appropriate time, it will shine. You are gifted, you are a seer, you are a good dreamer, now, what you don't know is that you need to be mentored by somebody. Look for anybody that's your spirit accepted. Ask the person to mentor you. Don't look for money. Those days we being mentored, what we are care of is, can we see something to eat? And why you keep on mentoring, being mentored, before you know it, you are developing to a vibration level. Most of you will not want to be mentored. Ego. Eze-Ana ugochitubelu, I need money. I want to pay this, I want to pay that. Have you asked yourself, what are you bringing to the table? What have you done to balance it? In creation, there is nothing like totally free. Nothing is totally free. So it's when people see you that you have great mindset, you have something, you write good proposal, you have a talent, they will be interested in investing in you. Yes, you must write your proposal very well, that it will be enticing to anybody that sees you, see that your proposals, we know that this proposal will excel, and they would like to be committed to that your dreams. So those Ibanaka, if you're on social media, you asking people, you are looking for money, house rent, this one. Have you think about what will be of great benefit to the person in question? Because sometimes you are channeling your energy to the wrong person. Spiritualists, and they are good at spiritual stuff. You have spiritual gifts. Go to the person. Tell the person that you want to be mentored by him. Forget about money. Let the person see where you are good at. The person will help you. I'm going to contact the person again. I passed through somebody and I learned a lot. The same thing when you want other talent. They can see where what market when you a driver, when you a book writer, when you a programmer, and when you want some certain things see the good at. Let people know what you are good at. Believe in me, people will like to work with you. But you must be patient enough. Because what is important is to have that self-recognition. Very important. So what I'm saying is that if you want your future to be great, begin now to build for your future. Whatever you want and where you want to be tomorrow, begin today to work it out. By having good intention, good mindset, and don't be greedy. Being greedy do turn destiny helpers off. If your destiny helper notice that you are greedy, he's gonna turn the person off. Don't be self-centered. Offer selfless services. With that time, people will now see you as somebody that are not greedy. Somebody that is not self-centered. Somebody that is appreciative. And believe in me, your destiny helper will keep supporting you to the best of your knowledge. So what am I saying? How you will be tomorrow, you work it out now. You want to be a successful person in future. Are you living life worthy of emulation that suits successful people? With a lifestyle and then the successful in a build. You must know how to manage money prudently. You must not be wasteful. On some certain things say and about self-discipline. When you are laying foundation, to prove which point and to who exactly. At that point in time you are growing up, what you need to financial prudence must be a watchword. All those things that are not useful, you block it, including friends. Me, I don't have much friends. If you must be my friend, you must be somebody that thinks the way I think, behave the way I behave, and see life the way I see life. You must be somebody that is going the same way where I'm going. If I find out in any way possible that you don't reason the way I reason, you don't think the way I think, you are not focused the way I focus, you are not going where I'm going to leave you. So life is all about finding the right people and things the way you think, going the same way you are going, so that I can even have distraction along the way. So know the type of friends you keep as friends. Don't keep parents that will not determined. In this life, when they believe they are not interested in building future. They believe in squandermania. They believe that whatever they achieve here and there, they will squander it. If you are somebody that want to build a great future, you don't need such a person. If you want to build future and you are going around with people that believe now, you don't need to think about tomorrow. You avoid such. Those people is going to be a distraction to you and being focused. So if you are going around and you see people that are not focused in life, avoid them like leprosy. So what am I saying? Which kind of friends are you keeping? You want to be successful, you must have a mentor. Me, I have a mentor. You have people you look up to. Yes, you must have role models. And now you discipline yourself. How can you continue doing one thing over and over times and expect different results? One thing I will tell you about the rich. At the beginning of their lifestyle, they caught excesses. in order to build for future. So don't keep friends that will be draining your strength, vibration, and determination energy. Why you are not succeeding is that you are keeping friends that will be a baggage of loads to you, that will be there to drain your energy, and by so you will not make a point, you will not make a move. Let me tell you this story before I round up. In 1988, story had it that our Jimmy Ovia has access to 20 million naira, big amount of money there. And we know also that in the same time, 1988, there is this great musician that is reigning that time, known as called Shina Peters. When during my child age, I used to enjoy that music very well. Then that time I was in school. That's what I'm telling you is that this Shina Peters reigned. He made too much of money. He bought exotic cars, built a mansion, then in Lagos. Yes, near Iju side. And many years down the line, up to 20 years down the line, you know that those exotic cars, the house he built, are in the state of mercy now. You know, because things lose values. But at that particular time, so they had it that Jim, or highly respected Jim Ovia of Zenith Bank, has access to the same amount of money. But instead of him to go and live in mansions, he delayed what he called delaying of gratification. He invested that money in building a system known today as Zenith Bank. Today, remember what I told you, two of them have access to the same amount of money. But this one invested his own in liquidity. The other one invested his own in a system. Today, the person, Jimmy Ovia of the Zenith Bank, now for delaying that gratification, investing that his money in a system that will continually pay him for life. If he want to buy exotic cars now, he can afford it as many as he wants. Even if he want private jet, he will get. Because he planned for future. I know some people that bought shares. Today they are earning their shares, enjoying their shares. But some people have access to the same amount of money, they squandered it in frivolities. So look, which kind of people are you keeping as friends? Are you keeping people that their mindset is squandermania? Or are you keeping people that will contribute, have the same focus like you? Because if you are keeping the wrong people as friends, you are going to pay the price of liquidation. But if you are keeping people that have the same mindsets and determination to succeed, believe in me, there will be a plus to you. So learn how to live in the present. Because how you live your present today will determine how your future will be. But if you are following people that will say, don't bother about future, my brother, my sister, you are with the wrong person. Look for people that will know that for you to enjoy better tomorrow, you build it today. Because change your friends circle of friends. If you are not succeeding, it means that your friends are wrong people. Change your mindset and it shall be well with you. I will always be here to help you. My name's Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu. WhatsApp number is 0805 7837 672. I repeat, 0805 7837 672. Let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na ọ dịghị ihe siri m ike. Ke Chineke na-apụghị izi m ụzọ m ga-esi lụwo ya. n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya. Ya gazie. May the blessing of Chukwu okike pụrụ ime ihe be with you all. May you be protected. May you be blessed. May Chukwu nke Africa bless you now and forevermore. Ya gazie. Go, shine and dominate. Star. Udo dịrị ọnụ.